All right, thanks for joining me. In this video, I'm going to show you and review this director's chair. They're foldable chairs. They're not your traditional camping chairs. Instead, they fold out this way, more like a lawn chair does. So I'll just show you around, give you a visual tour, and give my overall recommendation. We got a pair of these and got quite a deal on them at, I believe it was Costco. I'll put a link in the description below for this particular set or a similar set. But one of the biggest features is not only the high quality, but check out this cool little side tray. Camping chairs don't really have these built in, right? So this is a major perk. And I'll talk about some of the drawbacks of this chair in just a minute, so stay with me. But it's got a place for a drink and your device, whether it's a phone or an iPad. So that is really cool, and they are super comfortable. I'm sitting down in this. The armrests are not too low or too high. Here's the fabric, super high quality. Will it hold up to the test of time? We'll see. But I have faith in that. They're pretty lightweight. I wouldn't suggest carrying two of these around with you for long distances. For example, if you're going from your car to and you have to cross two soccer fields to watch your kids play soccer, that might be a little bit of a haul for you. But overall, not too bad. Again, very comfortable and folds up really easily. So these chairs would be great for like the driveway or a side yard or something, as opposed to camping, because one of the drawbacks is the size, right? Think lawn chair versus a foldable camping bag that fits up and stores into a bag. So size is going to be somewhat of a drawback here, but the trade-off is that tray, the foldable tray, and the comfort. So overall, highly recommended, and hopefully this has helped you out. Thanks.